The objective of this lesson is to learn how to apply the Subscript font on cells. And this is particularly useful when you're doing, for example, chemistry. So let's start. I'm going to select those two cells first, and then I'll go under Home. I click on this arrow, and I have here Subscript under the Font tab. So I click on Subscript, and then I say OK. And as you can see, the text went down. If I want to do it on a partial cell, so here I have H2O, I click on it, then I go to the 2, and I do the same thing. So I select the 2, and then I click on this arrow under Home, I get the font, and then I do Subscript, and as you can see, I get H2O. Now I'm going to show you something. If you try to do it on a number, you can select, for example, the 2, and then you click here, and you click on Subscript. Now it looks like it worked, but as soon as you go outside the cell, it goes back to what it was before. Why? Because this is a full number. So if you want to apply it on partial number, you need to click on the number, you go on the formula bar, you put apostrophe before, which will transform this content into a text. And then you select the 2, you click on the arrow, and you select Subscript. And as you can see, now it has worked.